morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some pleasant conditions across the region this morning. Seeing some breezy northeasterly winds, a bit higher than was expected this morning. Had a gust of 24 knots recently, but not expecting wind advisory today. But overall, looking like good conditions across the region. No chance of precipitation or lightning, just those breezy northeasterly winds this morning into the early afternoon hours. We'll see temperatures today in the lower 80s across the area. So a less humid and more comfortable day across the region with more sunshine in the area. Looking at our freezing level from this morning sounding at 14,200 feet. Winds out of the northeast around 20 knots in low levels and decreasing and become more westerly to west-southwesterly, increasing up to 38 knots, 25,000 feet. Our current surface analysis, cold front continues to sag south across the lower half of the peninsula. Looking at this high pressure continuing to build in from the Great Lakes. That's going to give us nice conditions through the weekend and into early next week before we see a possibility of air low pressure developing well off to our north and east, giving us a chance of showers on Monday. Taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have lots of cirrus cloudiness across the region as well as some mid-level cloudiness across the area. That'll be in general the case for today. There's a good amount of filtered sunshine across the region. Taking a look at the HERM model for today, you can see we have not really any chances of precipitation across the region extending into tomorrow. Looking like more sunshine tomorrow across the region. And then into Sunday morning, looking like continued sunshine, good conditions across the region. And taking a look at the European model next few days, you can see here that area low pressure tries to develop off the Mid-Atlantic northeastern coastline for Sunday to Monday. And that's possibly going to rotate some showers back in the area on Monday, giving us a possibility of shower thunderstorm throughout the day on Monday. And Tuesday looks like we'll kind of be in between a cold front off to our west, the system moving possibly inland on Tuesday. It's going to give us a very slight chance of a shower thunderstorm on for Tuesday. We'll see that increase of humidity beginning on Monday and then continuing out throughout the rest of the week for next week. Wednesday looks like our best chance of rainfall as a boundary kind of sets up over the area and starts to wash out and giving us good chances of showers, thunderstorms for Wednesday. And Thursday, continuing with the humid and warm conditions across the area as high pressure builds off the coast, and that's going to give us continued chances of pop-up showers, thunderstorms. For today, though, green chart across the board, high of 81, low of 66 tonight. Northeasterly winds fairly gusty this morning. As I said, we did have a gust up to 24 knots earlier. Continuing to see these winds a bit higher than was expected this morning. And then overnight, we'll see variable less than 5 knots. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we should see VFR conditions in the next 24 hours. Just a little bit of cirrus cloudiness by tomorrow morning. Our tides are running normal. Looking at Saturday into Sunday, green charts across the board. Saturday mostly sunny to partly cloudy and pleasant, high of 84. Saturday night mostly clear with a very slight chance of patchy fog overnight, a low of 66. And for Sunday, partly cloudy and pleasant, high of 85 degrees. So for the next 7 days, we'll see good conditions in general through the weekend with temperatures in the mid-80s for Saturday and Sunday. Low humidity values in general in the 60s for our dew points, so a much needed break after we've seen an extended period of hot and humid conditions across the region, or at least humid conditions. And moving to Monday, we'll see a chance of those showers, thunderstorms across the region. European being a bit more bullish with the rainfall, with that area low pressure off to our north and east. Continue to monitor that system for Monday, but looks like once we move into the middle of next week, really going to see those temperatures bump up with humidity values as well. So heat indices will be in the 90s once we move into middle to end of next week, as well as seeing daily chances of showers and thunderstorms. Looks like right now Wednesday is the better chance with that boundary across the region. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day and a good weekend. We'll be back on Monday morning, 8:15, 10 a.m.